So for our experiment, V curve and inverted V curve characteristics of synchronous motor, what observations we are going to see. So first parameter required is field current. So this is the DC current given to the field winding. So this we are going to observe armature current IA and power factor of the motor. So these three parameters are required to plot the V curve and inverted V curve. So in this experiment we are going to see the effect of excitation, or we can say field current, on armature current and power factor. Effect of excitation on armature current and power factor. So if we see this effect, you can observe that as field current goes on increasing, initially the power factor is less. If it goes on increasing, the field current goes on increasing, the power factor goes on increasing up to the unity power factor. And later on further, if the field current goes on increasing, again the power factor will goes on reducing and it will be the leading power factor. Initially it is a lagging power factor, it will reaches up to unity power factor, and later on it goes on reducing in the leading side. So this point is the unity power factor point. At LHS side, this one is the lagging power factor. At RHS side, this is the leading power factor. Again, if we see the effect of field current on the armature current, we can observe that initially armature current drawn by the motor is maximum. As field current goes on increasing, the armature current goes on reducing up to a certain value. So at unity power factor, the armature current drawn is very less. Further, if we increase the field current, then again armature current drawn by the motor will again goes on increasing. So that for field current versus cos phi, we get the inverted V characteristics, and field current versus armature current, we get the V curve characteristics. So this experiment is called as V curve and inverted V curve characteristics. Thank you.